This is Phil again at this repair. More demo on the shingles. The black stripe you see here is what's referred to as a sweet spot. It's where the nails should be installed on the shingle. I took a couple of these apart. I'm going to bring it to your attention that in this particular case you have a single nail. Go entire length of it. You find a nail hole, which is evidence of a nail before, and then another nail. It's 3 nails in the sweet spot when this shingle requires between 4 and 6. Even above it, where other shingles have overlapped, there's only 4 nail strikes. So again, please pay attention. If you're having your house roofed, you can hear the repercussions from the nail guns. Pow, 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 pow. And you should also have the project manager on hand who's supervising this, just like we do at firefighter roofing, making sure that the roof is installed properly.